Yeah, you know how I'm coming. They know how I'm coming. Hey, look.
Hey you guys, today I will be showing you how to customize a ClosureWig. Okay, so today's wig is brought to you by SVT Wigs. Thank you so much for sending over this hair. This is the details of the unit. It is a 4x4 jerry curl, 26 inches. And it is a Swiss lace, 180 density. It comes with 3 to 4 combs and adjustable straps. So this is what it looks like on my head. I'm going to just put a little bit in the front where the closure ends and begins, and you're going to see why I do it. So once I separate that, you're going to need a water bottle, you're going to need tweezers, and you're going to need a comb and also a paddle brush. So I go ahead and spray the top of the hair where I parted that with water. Then I'm going to pluck backwards in different spots and then frontwards as well, and then I'm gonna spray it again. Then I'm gonna come in and then brush it out, and I keep repeating the process. I do it like 3 times. After that, then I use my foundation, I put it on my hand, and then I go ahead and spread it across. The lace, you want to make sure you do it evenly and pass the lace part as well, because you don't know how far you're going to be cutting off on the lace. So then once I do that, I do the powder, and it's the same thing. I'm gonna go about it about 2 to 3 times. Then I started to do my concealer, which is from the Fit Me Foundation collection. It's the color 50, and that's just to conceal what I already did. Then I'm going to flip the wig back inside out. I use a wig spray to go ahead and freeze back and brush back the hairline so you can see. Next, I use the bowl hole gas to be, and I do about 3 to 4 layers. I want to make sure they're thin and even, and then once they're thin and even, it should look like this, clear. You see that? So then I spray the wig grip by Ors on there just for extra security, and then I fan it out for a little bit, and then I go ahead and press it down. Once I do that, I use a comb to comb it back. Then I'm going to put some more of the spray again, and then I'm going to do the comb again. Then I use an elastic band, then I tie it with my scarf. Here's the next day, and this will look like melted. Okay, so then you go ahead and cut off the lace, and I go and jag it. I don't try to go straight across, even though it's a closure, because I don't like the way it looks like just straight across. You're going to see, even though I did do a jagged because it's a closure, it still kind of looks like eggy. I don't know, you'll see. But you just go ahead and go jagged across, and you want to make sure you get all of the excess lace off of the wig. Once you do that, I use my comb to go ahead and part it down the middle. Then I'm going to use the concealers. I use 2 different types of ones, and I use the Maybelline first, and then I use the LA concealer in the color deetz second. Then I go ahead and rub that in. Then I'm going to come by the side, and I'm going to do a baby hair because I want to hide that little track that's on the side of it so that you can tell that it's a closure. So I go ahead and measure it, then I cut it, and then I go ahead and use some gas to be gel, and I'm just brushing and swooping with my edge control brush. And I use a spray again. I put it on there to secure the baby hair, and this is what one side looks like. I'm going to show you how I did it. I actually have water conditioner in that bottle, and then I go ahead and stretch it, and then I go ahead and paddle brush it bottom to top, from bottom to top. This hair is soft, and it was easy to detangle, and I'm going to use a hot comb because I want to show you guys what it'll look like if you did a baby hair and versus if you want to do a hairline. You will have to pay a little bit more attention to the hairline if you wanted to make it look like an actual natural hairline. I'm just showing you guys how to do it if you were going to try to go that route. And this is what it looks like, and that Fit Me Maybelline concealer works wonders with my skin because it blends in better. I'm just going in to make sure that all of the lace is melted in, because as you can see on the left hand side, it wasn't always blended. So I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 50 Cafe to blend it in, and here is the end result, you guys. She is very full. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is what I use, my little concoction of the water, and then I used also the Ors glosser to give it a look. I love it when it's wet and when it's dry, and I also did a little style. I thank you guys for watching. Deuces, y'all.